Are you tired of running out of Lovable credits? I'll show you how to build websites with unlimited credits. Okay, so I won't take up too much time. I'll make this video as short as possible and I'll get you continued with your task as soon as I can. So I already had a website, okay, just two prompts, just for example, you already have a Lovable, like website on Lovable and you run out of credits. You can see I only have 1.2, 1.9, and that's nothing, right? I can't do anything with it. I'll need to spend days, and even if I do spend days, I like after a few days I'll run out of the entire credits because there's a monthly limit on those credits. So what we need to do is we need to make sure we have a GitHub account, and then we need to press this connect to GitHub. Then we press connect GitHub, and then we press connect project, and then transfer anyway. Then we get this link. Instead of pressing that link, we just press view on GitHub. We see this. So this is the code that was generated on Lovable, right? This is the code which was generated on Lovable, and now if we see here, we can't actually edit this code. Yeah, so we can't actually edit this code, and now we go to GitHub, and we need to download this code, right? So we press this button, we press download zip. Boom, a zip file has been downloaded. Let's search Google AI Studio. We press the first link. This is what we see. Make sure you press enable syncing so that all your projects get saved. The reason we're using Google AI Studio is because Google AI Studio has unlimited credits. You can use it to integrate Superbase, you can integrate anything with it. I even used it to integrate Shopify, and it has no limits. The only downside is you need to follow a few extra steps while deploying the website. I've made an entire video on how to deploy a website when you use Google AI Studio. You can check it out in the description. So let's get back to building. Okay, so now we see this. Keep in mind to press enable saving. So now we get here. We press absolutely anything. You press build, and then we suddenly press this. Okay, that's all that we have to do. We can press, you can type whatever you want, and you need to make sure to press that stop button as soon as you can. We go to code, we can see only these two files are generated. Or if any code has been generated, quickly hide that, and yes, so we see this. Then we press upload zip file. You go to downloads. Boom, all the code is back in this. Now we go to preview. Now we see the preview is black. So we'll use the speech to text version, and we'll tell it what we need to do. Now copy exactly what I say or type it out, or you can use the speech to text version, but make sure you give the same commands. I have used Lovable to make a website, and I copied the code from it, and I've uploaded the files in here. And what I need to do is that you need to make sure the screen is not black and it is visible. Please do not change any functionality or any of the code. I just want to make the screen, I just want to make the preview not black, and make sure you do not change any code or the functions or how the website looks or feels. Make sure to make no changes, but just make sure the black screen is on. Okay, so I repeated that a lot of times, but I'll give you a simple prompt in the comments. You can copy that and you can paste that here, and make sure there are no typos. Lovable, yeah. I'll give you the exact prompt that you can copy and paste in the pinned comment, so that you don't need to worry about this and you can just copy and paste it. So one thing that might happen is that it won't work on the first try. We need to give the same prompt maybe twice or thrice, but it does eventually work out. I mean, that's a trade-off I'm willing to give when I get unlimited credits. Okay, so we just got this and we see there's an error. So let's just take a look at what the error is. Okay, so let's just fix autofix. Okay, so one thing that is happening is that it is taking way more than it does usually. It analyzed errors for 36 seconds, 76 seconds. It ran for 197 seconds, which is a lot, man. And it's running for more than 1 minute right now. So since it's just trying to set up it, we just saw it had like 28 errors, man. That's a lot of errors, so that's why it's taking a lot of time. Do not hop off or do not quit on it. You just need to give it the initial time that it requires. Okay, so this is what we got back, and we still have 2 errors, so we'll just press autofix again. We don't need to look at it. One thing I want to say is that this rarely happens. Mostly it just takes 2 prompts, one for the first one and one to autofix. That's it. And within 5 minutes you'll have unlimited credits. Instead of wasting your time and trying to fix the error, I've already shown you what works and what you have to do. If you want to learn how to deploy a website using Google AI Studio, you can check out the video in the description. If you have any doubts and nothing seems to work out, just me on my WhatsApp, LinkedIn, X or Gmail. You'll find all of them in the comments. If you want to work with me and want to learn, contact me. Thank you.